Sir, I need you to step out of the car. Sir, step out of the car.
Step out of the car, sir.
Sir, step out of the car.
Hands up, hands up.
Sir, please step out of the car.
Please step out the car.
Sir,
You're under arrest.
I'm not asking you more than once. Step out of the car.
Yeah,
No!
Step out the car.
Sir? Sir, step out of the car.
Sir, step out the car.
Sir, I'm going to have to bomb some bullets on you.
I'll shoot some bullets.
Sir, step out of the car.
Sir, step out the car. Please step out.
Sir, step out of the car. Sir, please step out of the car. Sir, 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 step out of the car.
Sir, step out of the car. Step out of the car. Sir, step out of the car.
Catch him up.
Sir, step out the car. Step out.
It's been a minute now, sir. I asked you more than once in a minute.
Christopher, stop.
Please, sir, step out the car. Sir, please give me the license. Sir, please step out the car. Step out the car.
What you looking at, Loretta?
Step out the car. Am I asking you?
Loretta? Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
This girl called you cute.
Let me see.
Okay, hold on.
Let me see. Let me see. Mrs. Bandana, let me see.